Welcome back everyone, thank you so much for watching another video. Last week I went to the Toronto Auto Show and honest opinion, it's overrated as a car guy, alright? And here, let me explain to you why. It's not for car guys, it's honestly not. And the reason being is that you just go there to take a look around at some stock cars, you can't even drive it. You got everyone just sitting in it, taking pictures. It's so crowded. Maybe this is a hot take. My boy gave me some tickets, so I went. If I didn't have the tickets, I don't think I would have gone. If you are in the market to buy an actual car from one of these manufacturers, then it's okay because you can sit in it. But again, you can't drive it, and you have people everywhere touching the cars. They're so dirty and everything. Alright, this, I'll admit, was pretty cool because I actually thought it was gonna flip. So the BRZ and the GR86 were pretty popular. I caught a kid lacking. And actually the GR86 was the Hakone edition, which is pretty cool. That's a nice green. And then Subaru had something called an e-Boxer. I have no idea what that is. BMW cooked this year. I'm not even gonna lie. This was my favorite part of the whole auto show. They brought out the new G87 M2 in this sick color. They brought the M5 Touring Wagon, which is really cool. Unfortunately, it was dirty because of all the kids around it, touching every window, every panel. I still sat in it, and honestly, I'm actually impressed. The only thing I don't like about it is that it's a hybrid. A plug-in hybrid, actually. I think this is going to be my next car. The M4 CS. Amazing. This was it. This was the car. Anyways, after this, I had some parts to install on the Fit. So let's go jump into that. Alright, so today I'm going to be finishing off a very important install I think every car should do, or like mod. So do you see here how these are still fluorescent bulbs, still just regular bulbs from the factory. I have LED lights that I'm going to be replacing these. So here's a quick little before. And I'm going to go do the install real quick. Really simple install. Honestly, anyone can do this. And this is something that I think that everybody should do. So give me a quick second and let's get to it. Here they are. Alright, let's unpack this. Done. Alright, so you got one LED here. Let's go pop it in. Oh, that's so much better. Okay. Yeah, that looks so much better. Okay, you can actually see the turn signal now during the day. And at night, it's going to be a lot brighter. Alright, perfect. Let me go do the other one and get back to you. And just like that, perfect mod. This is like the easiest mod that anyone should do to their car. It takes like 2 minutes. And honestly, it transforms the car so much. It makes it look a lot more modern. That's perfect. It looks amazing. All right, I'm hyped. Now I'm going to do the front ones. All right, let's go do that. All right, and these are the stock front ones. As you can see, they're kind of dim. They don't really do much. And again, I got some LEDs for this. So I'm hyped. Let's go install it. Boom, just like that. Look how much of a difference that makes. Yeah. Alright, I'm so happy with how this came out. Alright guys, thank you so much. It's nighttime now, and as you can see, it looks really good. It's really bright. I'm so happy with how that came out. Let's check the back. Oh, yeah, that's good. That's nice and bright. While I'm at it, let me show you all of the LED mods I've done so far. Alright, so first thing, LED yellow side markers for the front. So we got LED brake lights, and they flash 5 times when I brake. License plate light, I think it looks really good. It just makes it look more modern, you know? And then LED reverse lights as well. Yeah, that's needed. Oh, actually, fun fact, the car came with the HIDs, so I don't know what brand they are, but they work. And of course, interior dome light. That's it. Yeah, that's a quick little overview of the LED mods I've done to my daily. Honestly, perfect daily. I love doing that LED mod, LED lights. I've done all of them on my GT already. I'll show you that when I take it out. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Honestly, spring is just around the corner, and I'm actually going to Japan in 2 weeks. So I'm excited for that. I'm gonna vlog that for you guys. Oh, I'm so excited. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out and drive safe.